According to Wikipedia, asp is a modern anglicization of the word aspis, which is in antiquity referred to as one of the several venomous snake species found in the Nile region. Its potent venom made it useful as a means of execution for criminals who were thought deserving of a more dignified death than that of typical executions. Serpents themselves are known for the shedding of their skin, bringing out what appears to be a new snake, but it's just improved, reborn. Anxiety was the snake of Eden, and I was set free through the resurrection of Jesus. And I'm transformed like the staff of Moses, shedding my old skin like an asp. Once Satan tempted me and lied to me as a snake, but to his surprise, I was reborn, now I'm past that snake. Just like the serpent helped Moses and God's people out of slavery, the asp led me out of the slavery of sin, killing my old self with the venom of the asp. Venom of the asp. Venom of the asp. Killing my old self with the venom of the asp. Venom of the asp. Venom of the asp. Satan tried to lie to me as a serpent, but little did he know I would transform to a new person, to an asp in the desert lurking. God's servant, slithering against Satan's current, closing the curtain. For love my heart's burning, for God my heart's yearning. Satan can't stop this momentum. God's promises as my venom, holding me together, tendon, making me tough denim. Anxiety was the snake of Eden, and I was set free through the resurrection of Jesus. And I'm transferred like the staff of Moses, shedding my old skin like an asp, like an asp, like an asp, shedding my old skin like an asp. Yeah! Spiritual armor as my scales slithering, got me picking up speed, following Jesus as my trail. My old skin left behind, can't catch me. Spiritual armor as my scales slithering, got me picking up speed, following Jesus as my trail. My old skin left behind, can't catch me.
Stoletov music.
Knowing everything I need, my life you lead, and you never deceive, instead you exceed. Knowing everything I need, my soul you feed, knowledge you teach, through your word that I read. Knowing everything I need, myself you free, my impurity you clean, my wrong path you free. Knowing everything I need, my life you lead, my soul you feed, myself you free. The world's #1 listener, the world's #1 friend, the world's #1 father, the world's #1 lover you love to no end, the world's #1 leader, the world's #1 therapist, the world's #1 healer, the world's #1 scientist, the world's #1 teacher, the world's #1 king, the world's #1 preacher, the world's one and only God. So to you I sing. Your love unblemished is truly stupendous. If love is chemicals, you're the #1 chemist. You shine like paralysis, your spirit to replenish, even though I am blemished. Knowing everything I need, my life you lead, and you never deceive, instead you exceed. Knowing everything I need, my soul you feed, knowledge you teach, through your word that I read. Knowing everything I need, myself you free, my impurity you clean, my wrong path you reach. Knowing everything I need, my life you lead, my soul you feed, myself you free. You could have used your power to do anything. You didn't even have to make me. You could have made us destined for grief, but instead you were all loving, perfectly amazing, one truly deserving of praising, a God of forgiving, a God of great things, a God of giving, a God of saving. So without you, what am I? A lost star in a vast sky, all alone, nowhere to hide and nowhere to reside. But with you, I can feel alive and I can thrive, so I'll praise you, all revived, and I'll love you till the day you and I align. Knowing everything I need, my life you lead, and you never deceive, instead you exceed. Knowing everything I need, my soul you feed, knowledge you teach, through your word that I read. Knowing everything I need, myself you freed, my impurity you clean, my wrong path you preach. Knowing everything I need, my life you lead, my soul you feed, myself you free. A father, a teacher, a God, a friend, with love that will never end. Through infinite time you transcend, and to anyone and everyone your arm extends. Hey you! Yeah, you! Over there! You seem in a bad mood. But let me tell you that the day is brand new, and we all just need love. So here's what you do. As I walk down the street, I notice something. There's too much frowning and not enough loving. So I start smiling and I see something sweet, just to turn on my cheeks and make others feel neat. Love is all that we need to end the misery of the captivity of our society. Someone cares for you, I certainly do. You are unique, it's true, and that's why you are so cool. You are special on another level. You are different from the other fellas. You are gifted, your problems are jealous. So just listen and just get zealous, because love is in the air. You are so bright that I can see a glare. I hope that you are aware that like a diamond you are rare. But sometimes we all feel insane. There's a dark cloud, make it rain, but that will change, and I can't explain the feeling tonight. And sometimes we're feeling light and others don't wanna fight, but that's alright, cause with all our might we hold on tight. It's a beautiful day to be happy. Spread some light on tonight to each other. Love everyone like sisters and brothers. Give out hugs and compliments. This should be our common sense. So forget about the hate and spread some love. Cause love is way more than a rush. Cause love is way more than a crush. Cause love is way more than a blush. Cause love is for everyone. So love thy neighbor as thyself, and love everyone like there's no one else. Cause love is amazing by itself. But imagine when we add more of yourself. But sometimes we all feel insane. There's a dark cloud, make it rain, but that will change, and I can't explain the feeling tonight. And sometimes we're feeling light and others don't wanna fight, but that's alright, cause with all our might we hold on tight. Everyone spreading love together as one. Let's work together to make that happen. It's a beautiful day to be happy. Spread some light on tonight to each other. Love everyone like sisters and brothers. Give out hugs and compliments. This should be our common sense. So forget about the hate and spread some love. It's a beautiful day to be happy. spread some light on tonight to each other. Love everyone like sisters and brothers. Give out hugs and compliments. This should be our common sense. So forget about the hate and spread some love. My name is Atensa TJ, and I'm out here on the mic. And now it's time to play and enjoy some life. Backed by the song. Went through so much for so long. So now we gotta dance and show that we are strong. Hey everyone, wearing stripes or plaid. Hey everyone, the glad and the sad. Hey everyone, the moms and the dads. Hey everyone, it's time for some fun. But let me first get some guidelines down in place. There will be no drugs or other impurities, cause things are more fun when you just go out and play like a kid on a nice warm summer day. So let loose, go back to your roots, put on your dancing shoes and show your moves. Trusting, loving, hugging. This is a party we call like food. So get over to the dance floor, cause no matter where you are, good chance there's a floor. And you have no excuse not to let your mood soar, cause you know that life is fun. So hold on to your childlike energy. It really doesn't matter what others are thinking. All that matters is that you're smiling, cause you know that life is fun. Work hard, play hard, that's the motto to live by, cause you work so hard and you try. But when those moments come, when you have some free time, just remember all those times when you wanted to cry. Remember those times when you thought you might die. Remember those times when you were stuck asking why. Remember those times when you really felt fried, and use it as motivation and realize that you're okay, you're just living your life. That you have some time to just feel alive and take out your child inside and dance till the sun leaves the sky. So let loose, go back to your roots, put on your dancing shoes and show your moves. Trusting, loving, this is the party we call like food. So get over to the dance floor, cause no matter where you are, good chance there's a floor. And you have no excuse not to let your mood soar, cause you know that life is fun. So hold on to your childlike energy. It really doesn't matter what others are thinking. All that matters is that you are smiling, cause you know that life is fun. Life is fun. Woo! Intensa TJ on the mic. Life is rough. Life is tough. It may feel like you ain't enough, or that you just have terrible luck. But that's just life, and we all go through the same fight. And whether we sit down or we stand up, that's all up to us. Yeah, that's all up to us. So will you be a coward or a fighter? Will you put out the fire or be a lighter? Will you let adversity eat you alive, or will you thrive? Will you be a coward or a fighter? Will you put out the fire or be a lighter? Will you let adversity eat you alive, or will you thrive? Cause sometimes you need to be torn down. Everything you have must hit the ground, and a better foundation can be found. And then you can be built back up by no bound. Allow life to spin you round and round. Embrace that temporary frown. Be beat up by life's hounds, and then you can be built back up by no bounds. Keep fighting and you can look back victorious. Keep pushing, you can go fast victorious. Keep trying, you can be jacked victorious. Stand on top of your troubles, it's glorious. Keep pushing, you can look back victorious. Keep pushing, you can go fast victorious. Keep trying, you can be jacked victorious. Stand on top of your troubles, it's glorious. Keep pushing through, doing what you can do to keep on climbing Mount Lu, so that you can enjoy the view. Life isn't easy, it's not supposed to be, but without difficulty, life isn't worth living. You're only given challenges because you can handle them. Years later you'll be looking back and you'll understand that these hardships shaped you better than you could have done if you took your easy plan. Cause sometimes you need to be torn down. Everything you have must hit the ground, and a better foundation can be found. And then you can be built back up by no bound. Allow life to spin you round and round. Embrace that temporary frown. Be beat up by life's hounds, and then you can be built back up by no bounds. Make it through each day so the seasons can change. Make it through each day so the seasons can change. Oh, make it through each day so the seasons can change. Make it through each day so the seasons can change. Keep fighting, you can look back victorious. Keep pushing, you can go fast victorious. Keep trying, you can be jacked victorious. Stand on top of your troubles, it's glorious. Keep fighting, you can look back victorious. Keep pushing, you can go fast victorious. Keep trying, you can be jacked victorious. Stand on top of your troubles, it's glorious. Keep pushing through, doing what you can do to keep on climbing Mount Lu, so that you can enjoy the view. Hey you, I believe in you. You got this. Yes you do. Hey you, I believe in you. You got this. Yes you do. Just keep on fighting. Keep grinding. And then eventually you can look back and you can be victorious.